Welcome to Mathematics online class. Today we are going to learn how to find mean of a group data by three different methods. Mean is the most frequently measure of central tendency because it takes into account all the observations and lies between the extremes. Also, it enables us to compare two or more distributions. Suppose in a hostel, 50 students usually eat 200 puffs in their breakfast. How many more puffs does the mess in charge make if 20 more students join the hostel? Here we usually take average or mean. There are three different methods to find mean of a group data. First one is direct method. Let us solve a problem when the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses is given. See, in one house, 0 to 2 plants are planted, in two houses, 2 to 4 plants are planted, and so on. In grouped frequency distribution, we cannot say a frequency belongs to a particular observation of the class interval. By seeing the frequency 3 of the class interval 12 to 14, we cannot say that the three houses plants exactly 12 or exactly 14 plants in their house. So let us assume that the frequency FIs are centered at the midpoints or class marks and denoted by Xis. Here the class marks are the average of upper limit and the lower limit of the class interval. For example, the class mark of the class interval 0 to 2 is half of 0 and 2. That is 1. Next, class mark of 2 to 4 is half of sum of 2 and 4. That is half of 6, that is 3. Similarly, we can find the class mark of other classes. Here each xi occurs fi times. So the product of fi xi gives the sum of particular observation. That is, last three houses plants 13 trees in their house. So sum of 13 times 3 is 39. And the summation of fi xi gives sum of all observations. That is 162. Summation of fi gives total number of observations. That is 20. So mean of the data by direct method is summation of fi xi upon summation of fi. That is 162 upon 20. So mean is 8.1 plants or approximately 8 plants. That is mean number of plants per house is 8. We have used direct method because numerical values of xi and fi are small. Let us solve a problem to find mean of group data by assumed mean method. The following was the distribution of mangoes according to the number of boxes. That is, in 15 boxes there are 52 mangoes. In 110 boxes there are 53 to 55 mangoes, and so on. Total number of boxes is summation of fi, that is 400. As discussed earlier, we need to find class marks of each class interval. Let us choose one among the xi as the assumed mean, denoted by A. Here A is 57. Now the DIs, that is deviations of A from each xi, is denoted by Di. That is, DIs are the difference between 57 and each of the xi. That is 51 minus 57 minus 6, 54 minus 57 minus 3, and so on. Next, we need to find product of DIs with the corresponding FIs and take the sum of FI DIs, that is 75. So assumed mean is 57. Sum of all observations is 400. Sum of FI DI values is 75. And the mean of the data by assumed mean method is sum of A and summation of FI DI upon summation of FI, that is 57, sum of 57 and 75 upon 400, which is equal to 57 and 0.19, which is 57.19. Therefore, mean number of mangoes kept in a packing box is 57.19. Approximately 57 mangoes are there in a box. Here we have used assumed mean method because numerical values of xi and fi are large. Let us solve a problem to find mean of a group with data by step deviation method. Consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. Total number of workers, that is summation of fi, that is 50 workers are there. First we need to find class marks xi. Let us choose one among the xi as assumed mean. Let A be 550. Then di is xi minus a, that is xi minus 550. Now we need to find the deviations, di's, which are the difference between 550 and each of the xi. Further, the calculations can be reduced by dividing each deviation di with a common factor h. In general, h can be class size, that is h equal to 20. Find ui's, which is equal to di upon 20, that is minus 40 upon 20, which is minus 2, minus 20 upon 20, which is minus 1, 0 upon 20, which is 0, and so on. Next, we need to find the product of ui with the corresponding fi's and take the sum of fi ui's, that is summation of fi ui, that will be minus 12. So assumed mean is 550, sum of the observations is 50, class size denoted by h is 20, summation of fi ui values is minus 12, and mean of the data by step deviation method is sum of a and the product of summation of fi ui upon summation of fi times h, that is 550 and minus 12 upon 50 times 20, which is equal to the difference of 550 and 4.8, which is 545.2. Therefore, mean daily wages of workers of a factory is 545.2. In the next class, we will learn how to find mode of a group data. Thank you. Jai Hind.